Today we're going to walk through how to add a contact from the Indition Alerts mobile app. So to start here, we're going to log in. From the dashboard, you'll see Add Quick Contact. Tap on that, and you'll see all you need to add a contact from the mobile app is email, phone, and you can choose a contact list to add them to. So you can add an email, you can add a phone number in here, then you can choose from the existing contact lists in your account. And then when you're done, hit Save Contact. And that's how we allow you to quickly add a contact from within the mobile app so that you can send alerts to them. Now let's take a look at what that contact looks like in the desktop account. Here we are in the desktop account. We can go over to the navigation menu to the contacts icon, select contacts, and you'll see that the contact that I added is now in the account. You can even go to contact lists and see that we now have 3 contacts in my demo list that I selected to add the contact to. And if we check the added contacts, we'll see the contact I created included in there. So that's it. That's how we add contacts to your Alerts account from the Indition Alerts mobile app.